I want you to do the Arizona homeowners all across the board, all that are listening, a favor right now. I think they ought to all pick up their cell phone right now, and they ought to just type in property restoration specialist. What phone number would you have them plug in, Jim?
It would be our 602-944-2645. And that number is the only number that you need. It's answered during the day as well as after hours and on weekends and holidays. So we mean, when we say 24-hour emergency service, we stand by that.
And that would be your opportunity once it's on your phone. That if in the chance that guy or that lady in your lazy boy lean back with the drips running down on your forehead while you're watching Jeopardy. You don't have to remember Jim's name.
Yeah, absolutely.
You don't have to remember the you just remember Restoration Company and hit dial.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.